got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show. Let's go. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't wanna go to work, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love. I need a change in my life, cause I don't wanna live and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'll always show up. I'll be a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say the back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through it, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Let's go. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love, my strike, my right to fight. Wanna play on and wanna hate, and this is my game to play, to claim any random. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I'm a bit nervous, that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'm trying that might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. 16 in the summer when that goose is right, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. So comfortable, thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I